Hello guys, it's Daily here with the Daily Levels commentary for the 8th of August 2017. Let's start with Euro Dollar. As you can see, the volatility is pretty low right now and there just aren't any new trading opportunities. For that reason, I only have my older levels. Long level at 1753, which is based on this volume cluster, and short level at 1838, which is based on this volume cluster. What I expect now is some more sideways price action that will probably take place between those two extremes of the Friday's range. So I expect more sideways price action in this range, at least until there is some news or something that will put the market into imbalance and return some volatility into the euro dollar. Right now there just aren't any new trading opportunities. Let's have a look at the Australian dollar. US dollar, unfortunately yesterday's long level at 78.98 got tested a little bit sooner and there was pretty significant reaction to that level, so I had to discard that level. I didn't trade it, so there was a little bit of tough luck, and some more tough luck was right there at our short level at 79.25 during today's Asian session. I took a stop loss there. As you can see, the price turned just a little bit above my stop loss and it would go into the profit target if I didn't take a stop loss, but I did take a stop loss there. As far as current levels are concerned, I don't have any new levels on the Australian dollar US dollar right now. The only level that I have is 79.70, which is based on the volume cluster, and you can see right there. This volume cluster was created within this sideways price action, and after this price channel broke, there was a strong selling activity indicating that those volumes were probably volumes of strong sellers accumulating their selling volumes, their selling positions in this area. So I think that if there is a pullback to this area, those strong sellers will be defending their selling positions and they will push the price lower. Let's have a look at the US dollar Japanese yen. I think that there are some pretty nice trading opportunities on this pair. Even though we are in the middle of summer with low volatility, the Japanese yen is a bit volatile right now. It's good news, definitely. The first level is a long level at 110.09. The reason for that level is this sideways price action within which those volumes, those pretty heavy volumes, got accumulated. You can see that after this accumulation there was a strong buying activity, indicating that those volumes were volumes of strong buyers. And I think that if there's a pullback, those strong buyers will become aggressive, defending their buying positions, and they'll push the price higher once more. There are also two pretty viable short levels to trade from. The first one is at 110.55. The reason for that level are those pretty heavy volumes that were accumulated in this area. You can see that after this accumulation there was a selling activity, indicating that those volumes were probably volumes of strong sellers. And I think that if there is a pullback to this area, those sellers will become aggressive. They will be defending their positions and push the price lower. My second short level that I'd like to trade is at 110.75. The reason is actually pretty similar. The reason for that level are those heavy volumes that were created within this sideways price action area, and I think that if there is a pullback, those volumes that were probably volumes of strong sellers, so those sellers who will be defending those volumes, those selling positions, and they will be trying to push the price lower and protect their positions. So guys, those were today's intraday levels. I look forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading!